Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by treating the laptop as a canvas. Wipe the area with isopropyl until it's free of oils, then let it dry. Once done, arrange stickers off device to test composition. You'll avoid awkward overlaps and wasted stickers. Make sure to prioritize ventilation and access to ports. Place larger pieces away from hinges. Use a small scrap of removable tape to mask final positions. Because moving a sticker after full contact is hard, you proceed by peeling the backing gradually and aligning one edge first. This gives control and prevents misplacement. Then press across the sticker while dragging a card to push air out. Work from center to edges to avoid bubbles. If the sticker is multi-layered, apply base layers before overlays and press between each step. Make sure to trim carefully with a sharp blade, keeping a small gap near vents so stickers don't interfere with heat flow. You finish by sealing delicate edges with a clear laminate or edge coat if you want extra durability. This also prevents peeling. Once done, inspect for bubbles. If tiny pockets remain, use a pin and press out toward the edge immediately, because delayed fixes become permanent. Make sure to keep the laptop away from direct sunlight or heaters for 24 to 48 hours so adhesives cure properly. If a sticker lifts later, re-clean. Apply a thin adhesive and press firmly to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.